Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best laundry storage jars is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential elements in maintaining a tidy and efficient laundry room, transforming cluttered detergent bottles and messy scoops into a sleek, organized display that not only looks great but also simplifies your laundry routine, making those mundane chores feel a little less burdensome and a lot more aesthetically pleasing. Number 5. Anchor Hocking Heritage Hill 1-gallon glass jar set. Introducing the Anchor Hocking Heritage Hill glass jar set. This set includes two 1-gallon jars with glass lids, featuring oversized knobs for easy handling and a sturdy design. These jars are perfect for storing a variety of dry goods like flour, cookies, rice, coffee, and candy. Their thick glass construction reliably covers and protects your food items. Designed with wide mouths and thick walls, these jars make scooping easy and offer maximum protection. The snug-fitting lids ensure your contents are well covered. Made from lead-free and BPA-free glass, they offer a healthier alternative to plastic and metal. They won't warp, stain, or retain odors, ensuring your food stays pure. Crafted with care since 1905 in Ohio, these glass jars continue a tradition of quality. They are proudly made in America, maximizing your home's potential. What we like. If you're looking for a classic and durable set for everyday dry goods, these are a great choice. Their thick glass construction and generous size make them ideal for storing staples like flour or rice. Because they are made in the USA, you can trust in their quality and longevity. What people say. They are nice and big. Multiple storage options. These jars are beautiful, sturdy, and very useful. The lids are great and they are not airtight so the sourdough can breathe. Straight sides and huge opening allows easy cleaning and refilling jars. Lids are heavy enough to stay put and even though the lids don't have rubber seals they have a good seal on them. Number 4. Anchor Hocking Montana 1.5-gallon glass jar. Introducing the Anchor Hocking Montana 1.5-gallon glass jar. It's designed with an oversized knob for easy gripping and a clear glass bottom for a clean look. This jar is perfect for storing and displaying a variety of dry goods in your pantry or on your counter. Keep your favorite foods fresh and accessible. The silicone gasket creates a clean seal, keeping air out and freshness in. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your ingredients are protected. Its wide mouth and thick walls make scooping easy and prevent spills. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe design. Unlike plastics, glass is recyclable, won't stain, and won't retain odors or leach chemicals. Enjoy a cleaner, safer experience for your food. Crafted with care since 1905 in Ohio, this glass jar continues our tradition of maximizing your home's potential. It's a testament to quality and American manufacturing. What we like. For those who need a larger capacity and a reliable seal, this option stands out. The silicone gasket ensures freshness for your dry goods, and the dishwasher-safe feature makes cleanup a breeze. If you store bulk items or want superior freshness, this is the one for you. What people say. The jars are made of durable glass and have airtight lids, keeping the detergent fresh. They look very stylish on the laundry shelf and are easy to open and close. The capacity is generous, holding a large amount of laundry pods or powder. Number 3. Anchor Hocking Penny Candy Jar Set. Introducing the Anchor Hocking Penny Candy Jar Set. This collection includes two 1-gallon glass jars with easy grip lids, perfect for your kitchen storage needs. These versatile jars are ideal for storing a wide variety of dry goods. From pantry staples like flour and rice to treats like cookies and candy, they keep everything organized and accessible. Crafted with thick walls and a wide mouth for easy scooping, these jars are built to last. Their clear glass design beautifully displays your stored items, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Made from lead-free and BPA-free glass, these jars offer a healthier alternative to plastic. They won't warp, stain, or retain odors, ensuring your stored goods remain fresh and pure. Since 1905, Anchor Hocking has been dedicated to quality craftsmanship. These glass jars continue that tradition, proudly made in America to help you maximize your home's potential. What we like. If you appreciate a touch of style and versatility for various storage needs, consider this set. The brushed metal lids add a decorative element, and they are perfect for not just food but also laundry room essentials. If you want to organize and beautify multiple areas of your home, these are a fantastic option. What people say. They look great on the shelf and are very well built and very well packaged. They're larger than I thought, which is really awesome. These containers do look very modern and chic. Glass has a slight blue tint. Great for storing dog treats. Number 2. Laundry Pod Storage Container Set. Introducing our complete laundry organization set, designed to bring order to your laundry room and beyond. It includes spacious containers for your pods and sheets, along with convenient scoops and labels. Crafted from premium, shatter-resistant acrylic with natural wooden lids, these containers are built to last. Their wide mouth design ensures easy access and refilling, making your daily chores simpler. Our dedicated dryer sheet container is made from BPA-free acrylic, perfect for preserving the freshness and scent of your dryer sheets. It's also versatile enough for other small laundry essentials. These versatile containers aren't just for laundry. Use them to organize a variety of household items in your kitchen, bathroom, or craft space, keeping everything tidy and accessible. Maximize your storage with our 0.66-gallon capacity containers. Their efficient design and easy-to-clean features make them an ideal addition to any home looking for smart organization. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the wide mouth opening and removable wooden lid. Simply wipe the lid clean and the acrylic container is dishwasher safe for effortless maintenance. What we like. If shatter resistance and a complete organization kit are your priorities, this acrylic set is ideal. The included labels and scoops make organizing laundry pods and other items incredibly easy. If you have kids or pets and need a safer alternative to glass, this is a smart and practical choice. What people say. The quality is solid, and I've had no issues exceeding storage capacity. Plus, I am a huge fan of square cubular things because they just look so nice and tidy and clean. The scoops and label stickers are a nice bonus, and I appreciate that they include a few blank labels for those of us who use some less conventional products. These do their job well, and have made my laundry days much smoother and tidier. No more cardboard boxes leaking and or falling apart or annoying safety lids on plastic detergent pod jugs. Number 1. Airtight Glass Canister Set, 2-pack. Choose a healthier option than plastic. Our glass canisters won't discolor, retain odors, or leach chemicals. They are designed with added thickness for superior durability and stability. Easily see and access your stored items with our wide mouth design. The large opening makes filling and retrieving contents simple, preventing spills and messes. Enhance your kitchen's aesthetic with these stylish canisters. Their contemporary design looks great on any countertop, party, or buffet table, complementing your existing decor. These gallon-sized jars are perfect for a variety of uses. Store dry goods like cereal, candy, and pasta, or use them for canning and pickling. They offer visually appealing storage for any space. To ensure longevity, please preheat the canister with warm water before pouring in boiling water. Sudden temperature changes can cause cracking. What we like. For a blend of modern aesthetics and robust functionality, this large glass canister is a top pick. Its airtight lid is excellent for preserving dry goods, and the sleek design looks great on any countertop. If you want a stylish, large-capacity storage solution for your kitchen or pantry, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The jars are made of durable glass and have airtight lids, keeping the laundry detergent fresh. The wide mouth opening makes it easy to scoop out the detergent. They look very stylish on the laundry shelf, adding a nice touch to the room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.